If your home could quietly attract more peace, better energy, and even a little luck, just by placing the right plants in the right corners? Most people don't realize that some indoor plants are believed to bring positivity, harmony, and prosperity into your space. Today, you're going to discover 5 powerful positive plants you must keep at home that not only look beautiful, but also transform your environment into something calmer, fresher, and more alive. Stay until the end, because the last plant is known as a natural wealth magnet in many cultures. Number 1. Golden Pothos, the energy cleaner. Golden Pothos is one of the most loved indoor plants in the world, and for good reason. This trailing beauty with heart-shaped green and yellow leaves is often called the devil's ivy, because it is almost impossible to kill. But beyond its resilience, golden pothos is believed to absorb negative energy and bring fresh, uplifting vibes into your home. It thrives in low light, making it perfect for bedrooms, offices, or living rooms where sunlight is limited. It also helps purify the air by removing toxins, which makes your home feel lighter and cleaner. Many people place it near entryways to block negative energy from entering the home. Spiritually, golden pothos is associated with growth, expansion, and emotional healing. Watching its vines grow freely can feel calming, almost like stress slowly melting away. If you want a plant that is both beginner-friendly and energetically powerful, golden pothos is a perfect choice. Just give it occasional watering and let it do its magic. Your space will feel instantly more alive and refreshing. Number 2. Lucky Bamboo, the symbol of prosperity. Lucky bamboo is not just a plant. It's a symbol of fortune, balance, and positive flow. In many cultures, especially in feng shui, lucky bamboo is believed to attract wealth, happiness, and good health, depending on how many stalks you keep. This plant is incredibly easy to maintain. It can grow in water or soil and requires very little sunlight, making it perfect for desks, bedrooms, or office spaces. Its elegant, upright growth represents strength and stability in life. Each arrangement of lucky bamboo carries meaning. 2 stalks represent love, 3 represent happiness, and 5 symbolize health. That's why many people carefully choose their setup based on their life goals. Beyond symbolism, lucky bamboo also creates a calming atmosphere. Its clean, minimal look brings balance to cluttered or stressful environments. Many people place it near workspaces to boost focus and reduce mental fatigue. If you're looking for a plant that brings both beauty and positive symbolism into your home, lucky bamboo is a timeless choice that never goes out of style. Number 3. Snake plant, the night oxygen booster. The snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue, is one of the most powerful air-purifying plants you can have indoors. Its tall, sword-like leaves make it visually striking, but its real magic happens at night. Unlike most plants, the snake plant releases oxygen during nighttime, helping improve sleep quality and creating a healthier bedroom environment. This makes it perfect for people who struggle with sleep or want a more refreshing resting space. It is extremely low maintenance and can survive in almost any condition. Low light, infrequent watering, and even neglect. This resilience makes it a symbol of strength, protection, and endurance. Many believe the snake plant acts like a natural shield, absorbing toxins and blocking negative energy from entering the home. It's often placed near entrances or corners to create a protective barrier. Its upright growth also represents discipline and stability, reminding us to stay grounded even during stressful times. If you want a plant that improves air quality, supports better sleep, and requires almost no effort, the snake plant is a must-have for any modern home. Number 4. Jade Plant, the wealth magnet. The jade plant is often called the money plant in many cultures, and it is strongly associated with prosperity and financial growth. Its thick, round, coin-shaped leaves symbolize wealth accumulation and stability, making it a favorite in homes and businesses. This succulent is easy to care for and thrives in direct sunlight. It stores water in its leaves, so it doesn't require frequent watering, perfect for busy lifestyles. In feng shui, the jade plant is placed near entrances or offices to attract success and business opportunities. Many people believe that when it grows strong and healthy, it reflects growing financial energy in the household. Beyond wealth symbolism, the jade plant also represents friendship, luck, and positive relationships. It is often gifted during housewarmings or new business openings as a sign of good fortune. Its compact, tree-like shape makes it a beautiful decorative piece for desks, tables, or windowsills. If you're looking for a plant that blends beauty with strong symbolic meaning of prosperity and success, the jade plant is one of the most powerful choices you can bring into your home. Number 5. Peace Lily, the Harmony Restorer. The peace lily is known for its elegant white blooms and deep green leaves, creating a calming and peaceful presence in any room. It is often associated with purity, harmony, and emotional balance. One of its most powerful benefits is air purification. Peace. Lily helps remove harmful toxins from indoor air, improving overall comfort and well-being. It also increases humidity, which can be beneficial for skin and breathing. Spiritually, the peace lily is believed to reduce stress and bring emotional healing. Many people place it in bedrooms or meditation spaces to create a soothing environment that encourages relaxation and inner peace. It thrives in low to medium light and only needs occasional watering, making it simple to maintain. When it starts to droop, it's actually communicating that it needs water, making it one of the most expressive plants you can own. The white flowers symbolize renewal and calm energy, often reminding people to slow down and breathe. If your home feels chaotic or stressful, the peace lily is the perfect plant to restore balance, beauty, and emotional calmness. So there you have it. 5 powerful positive plants that can completely transform the energy of your home. From the cleansing vibes of golden pothos to the wealth-attracting jade plant and the calming peace lily, each one brings its own unique magic into your space. Start with just one plant today, and you may notice your home feeling fresher, calmer, and more alive than ever before. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, because sometimes a simple plant can change an entire life.